Hello, this is Jonathan with VORTEK Spaces. In this video, I will show you the basic controls to navigate in your project. So to move around your project in VORTEK Spaces, you can use your mouse or your keyboard. So using the mouse, left click and hold will make you turn your head around so you stay in the same position but now can look in all directions around you. If you hold the right click, it's called the pan, so now you can go up, down, left and right. So this is very useful if you want to go up and change the elevation of your viewpoints. You can also use the scroll wheel on your mouse to go back and forth in the project, and please note that the camera will follow the mouse position in the screen. So if you put it on the left or on the right, the camera will just follow the position of your mouse. Finally, with the mouse, you can also click and hold on the scroll wheel, making it orbit around an object. You can also use a keyboard to move around your project, so up, down, left and right will make you go back and forth in the project. Left and right will make you turn left and right in the project. And you can also hold shift and use the left and right arrows to move in a straight line from left to right in the project. So this is very useful if you want to put different viewpoints at the same height elevation in your project. Thank you for watching. You can click below to see the final result of this project. Make sure to watch the other videos in this series covering materials, lighting, videos and pictures, VR extension, and way more. If you are interested, we also offer one-on-one personalized online training covering all of the aspects of the application.